Hello guys, today I've got the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5 and I'm going to show you all the top tricks about your device. So, as you can see here, we've got the first top trick, the application. Here, both Android phones and iPhones support this application. On Android phone is kind of more difficult to install this application, but you can do it. And this application is a game changer actually for everything. You can do everything in this application. And this is the first top trick that is actually worth mentioning at first. Because actually I can prolong this section of the app. Because every single next top trick is here in the app, because this application includes every single option that can be distinguished as top trick. So let's start with the first thing. I think ANC can be actually be a top trick, but let's now avoid that. Special audio also here. HUAWEI Sound. As you can see, this is normally the equalizer, but as you can see, here we got something called HUAWEI Sound. These are developed by experts at the Beijing Central Conservatory of Music, and these are 4 presets that are actually very nice. Like for example, HUAWEI Sound Balanced, True to Life and Immersive. It's HUAWEI Sound. HUAWEI Sound Voice, bright and transparent, hear vocals in all their glory. HUAWEI Sound Bass, more powerful low end, and HUAWEI Sound Classical, a concert hall experience wherever you are. I don't really want to talk about this because these are normal equalizer presets, but these are game changer. Apart from that, here as you can see, I missed that, our per devices section, and here if we tap it we can see more. Multi-connect, dual connection mode. If this option is enabled, we can stay connected to multiple devices at the same time and switch between them seamlessly. Here as you can see I have only iPhone, but previously I was connected to both iPhone and the Nothing phone for a Pro, and I could just switch between them flawlessly. It was very nice, and it's very super useful. Here if we scroll down a little bit we can see ear tips section. We can switch in the application memory phone tips between memory phone tips and silicone tips. We can switch actually between them, and all the algorithms in the app should adapt the sound to the tips. Here we have got charging case settings. We can enable the case open tone like this, or disable enable the case tones. And actually I don't really think that okay, here we have got one more thing, head control. This was actually at first included in the Earbuds, but we can enable it, and now here, with nodding our head when we have our earbuds in our ears, we can answer the call and play some music. I mean play, you know what I mean. Here, with this shake, we can reject or dismiss, and you know what I mean. This is very cool. Here we have this find section. I don't really think this is a top trick, because you can find actually your headphones in the app. Adaptive audio section is actually very nice because here we've got adaptive volume based on our surroundings and conversation awareness, which means automatically switching between ANC, transparency, and volume level so that you can see and hear everything during a conversation. Goodbye!